4 years for murder. Relatives of students slain over guard ring reacts to sentencing. Fear grabs Westmoreland as murders follow end of SOE. And hazards and inconveniences of illegal street vending. The findings of a Primetime News special report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the Regency IPO recently closed, and guess what? Their basis of allotment is out. So find out how many shares you can get later on in the business day.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan. Jordan, what do you have for us in sports?
Well, Herman, I suspect that 95% of Jamaicans are happy today with Brazil winning their round of 16 match at the FIFA World Cup. We'll tell you all about that, as well as the nominees for Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year. The launch was held this morning. So all of that in Primetime Sports a little later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What has been your experience traversing sidewalks occupied by vendors?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.